In my coming video, I am going to teach you guys about the fast multiplication and calculation tricks that are really very helpful in aptitudes. I hope you like it for sure. Assalamu alaikum friends. Now, let me share with you another trick of finding the square of number that are nearby 50. First of all, since the numbers are nearby 50, you will have to fix 25 in your mind. Now if I have to find the square of a number which is 47, 47 is nearby 50 and we have seen that 47 is 3 less than 50. What I will do, I will write the square of 3 which is 9 and I will subtract 3 from 25. I get the answer 22 which is the square of 47. Let us apply the same trick on number 48. You see that 48 is 2 less than 50 and 25 is already fixed in your mind. What I will do, I will write the square of 2 which is 4 and after subtracting 2 from 25, I get 23 which is the answer of square of 48. Now friends, let us talk about finding the square of numbers that are nearby 50 but are greater than 50. For example, if I have to find the square of 57, I see that 57 is 7 more than 50. I have already fixed 25 in my mind. In my next step, what I will do, I will write the square of 7 which is 49 and I will add. Since 57 is 7 more than 50, so I will have to add in 25. I get the answer 32. So in this way I get the answer of square of 57 with this simple and very short trick. Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share with you a very simple and very short trick of multiplication of numbers that are nearby 100. By applying this trick, you will be able to find the multiple of numbers that are nearby 100 also. For example, if I have to multiply these two numbers 103 and 102, I see that 103 is 3 more than 100 and 102 is 2 more than 100. What I will do, I will multiply these two numbers and I will cross add these numbers. You can add 2 into 103 or you can add 3 into 102. In both cases you will get the same answer. You get the answer 105 which is the multiple of 103 and 102. You like this trick too. I repeat, I will give you another example. If I have to multiply these two numbers 105 and 106, first of all I will see that 105 is 5 more than 100 and 106 is 6 more than 100. I will write the multiple of 5 and 6 which is 30, and what I will do in my next step, I will cross add these two numbers. After adding these numbers, I get the answer 111 which is the multiple of 105 and 106. Isn't it amazing? Now let me share with you another example. If I have two numbers 91 and 92 and I have to multiply these two numbers, I see that 91 is 9 less than 100 and 92 is 8 less than 100. First, in my first step, I will write the multiple of 9 and 8 which is 72, and in my next step I will cross subtract these two numbers. When numbers are greater than 100, we cross add them, and when numbers are less than 100, we subtract them. After subtracting them, I get the answer 83 which is the multiple of 91 and 92. Hope you find this trick helpful.